Most people see a pair of distressed jeans as a fashion statement, but here in this Vietnamese workshop, it's a battle of endurance. This is the art of calculated destruction, where a brand new garment is intentionally aged by decades in just a few minutes. It starts with raw physical power. The artisan stretches the denim over a rigid pipe, using heavy sandpaper blocks to grind away the indigo. There are no machines to guide the pressure, only the feel of the fabric and years of muscle memory. The air here is thick with denim dust and humidity. In the peak of the tropical heat, these makers work shirtless, putting their entire body weight into every stroke. This isn't just a job, it's a grueling physical performance to ensure those fade marks look natural, not manufactured. Small details matter. For the edges and pockets, smaller grinding wheels are used. Each spark and cloud of dust represents a specific design choice, a whisker or a honeycomb, that will eventually define the character of the jeans. Next, the jeans enter the spray booth. A fine mist of chemicals is applied to specific areas. This creates the high contrast highlights that give denim its depth. It requires a steady hand too much, and the fabric weakens. Too little, and the effect is lost. Here's the secret to their precision. The artisan uses a smartphone to reference a master design, meticulously mapping out every rip and repair with white chalk. They use custom stencils to ensure that even though every pair is handmade, the quality remains consistent for international markets. Every mark you see is a signature of the maker. While fast fashion attempts to automate this with lasers, these workshops are still standing because a machine can never replicate the soul and the grit of a human hand. The final product is a masterpiece of grit. Thank you for stepping inside the world of Vietnamese craftsmanship with us. Subscribe to Inside Vietnam Workshops for more untold stories from the heart of the industry.